Hi everyone, so we are starting a new YouTube series where we will learn about custom code with Bubble. We will extend Bubble functionality with the help of custom code. We will create custom JavaScript code. We will create new APIs. We will create new plugins. So this is our first video. So this is about introduction to JavaScript for Bubble developers. So let's see why we should learn JavaScript first. So to create bubble plugins, and before saying that why you need a bubble plugin, so bubble has a lot of plugin already exist, so you can use existing one, but sometime you need your own customization for some specific project. And for example, you want to use some kind of service and that does not exist currently, so you have to use it in a new plugin. You have to create a new plugin. So we will see all the example in this series. So second is that fetch and process data from external API. For example, we have external API that we want to use, for example WhatsApp Cloud API, or let's say Cloud API or OpenAI API. So we can use existing plugins, but it may possible that you don't get the customization that you need, so you have to create your own plugin, and for that you need JavaScript. Third is manipulate DOM inside bubble element. For example, you are creating a toaster element and which you want to show toaster message, confirmation message like in pop-up side. So for that you need to manipulate a DOM. You cannot do that inside bubble. You can do that, but if you want more control, then you have to manipulate a DOM inside the bubble element. We will see this in this series. So for that, manipulating the DOM, you need JavaScript. Again, for performing complex calculation that Bubble's workflow can't handle efficiently, so maybe some particular things in a Bubble app which is very crucial for your users, but currently it is not as fast that you need, or it is consuming more workload. So maybe you want to do that particular calculation part outside Bubble. So for that also you have to use JavaScript. So for example, you want a custom date picker, and then JavaScript you have to use. You can use any npm packages here, React packages here, right? And for example, that I already said that plugin maybe does not exist for your need. You have to create a custom plugins. This often required when you want more customization rather than a basic web app. Okay, so we can run the JavaScript. So basically in toolbox plugin, run JavaScript action. This is the most popular plugin, toolbox plugin, and the run JavaScript, many people use it. So we will see this in this particular video. In a custom plugin, I already said, in custom plugin you can build using JavaScript, so that is the main language behind the plugin code. Inside HTML element using JavaScript, so inside HTML element you can use script tag, so that will eventually run inside JavaScript. You can run it inside iframe or not, that is your need, but we will see this as well in our series of videos. Fourth point is modify bubble page via DOM manipulation. So for example, you want to run some script to manipulate some DOM element. DOM element means document object model. So the element you see in the screen, for example any web app, so this particular is the element, so this is also set of elements. So that is called document object model, that use JavaScript use to manipulate it by external script. So that is fourth point. Fifth point is you can use you know that JavaScript has a wide set of varieties of packages, libraries. So you can use like chart.js, you can movement.js, date picker library, any new packages that comes into market, you can use it via running JavaScript. So let's see one example in this video, and let's end this video with an example, with practical example. So for example, I have one Bubble app where I have a list of document, a text content basically, and I have a button print page, and I want that wherever I click the print page, I want that it should pop up the print element that we do when we using Control P print, right? So this option should pop up whenever we click this part. So this is for our user. So let's see how we do. Now for example, if you don't know JavaScript, what you will do is you go to the plugins and you will search print page. Okay, so it has a lot of plugins, simple plugins, and so you can use this, but as I said, these external plugins will slow down your page significantly. So if you need to fast page or some more customization, then you have to use JavaScript. So let me show you how you can achieve that with a simple line of JavaScript. So you can click the button add workflow, run. Okay, so we have to install one package that I already said, the toolbox plugin. So here is the toolbox, you can install it, and then you can write run JavaScript, and inside that you can run the script. So whenever someone click the print page button, the script will run. The script is very easy. So print. Okay, so just see this print and bracket, parenthesis bracket. So this is a function. We will learn about this ongoingly, so don't worry, I will show you how you can write a function. So this is basically provided by JavaScript engine, that is why I can use it. So let's test it. Okay, so if we click the print page, then see it open the print page and it will show the particular page as a print, save as PDF or print statement. So for example, if I save with this, so it will show me the location, so I can save it. And if I show you the open file, just a second, here is it. So this is the document file. Now two things are not good here. One is that print page is showing here. I don't want to show the print page here because I only want to download the document only. And the second stuff is that this built-on bubble is showing because it is in the page. Okay, so this built-on bubble is not an issue because whenever you deploy your app in real applications, you will purchase a paid plan and then it will automatically hide. So that is not the problem, but the problem is the print page issue. So what we have to do is we have to write some more custom codes to hide this when we are printing the page. So we will show this see this in the next video where we will write some custom CSS to hide this whenever we print the page. So that's it for this video. I hope you learn it. Please do subscribe, and in the next video I will show you how you can do that. So that's it. Thank you.